Welcome to this GoBright user video. In this video we will demonstrate the functionality of a mobile application. During this video I'll be using the GoBright app on an Android phone, but it's equally applicable to iPhones. So if I select my GoBright application, that's going to take me in after logging in to my dashboard. And on my dashboard you can see the date, you can see we've got the week planner activated so I can see any other of my colleagues in the office, and then I've got a summary of what my bookings are on that day. I can search from the bottom menu bar, so if I'm searching for a desk say on another date, I can take that as 14, and if I want to just change my start time, I can change my start time and say done. You can see I've got types if they were set up, and I've also got amenities. But in this case I'm just going to book a desk. That gives me a selection of desks available, and so I'm just going to pick one of those desks and I'm going to click save. So I have this ability on my mobile app to book my desks, and the same would apply to my rooms and my parking if we have parking spaces. I've also from the bottom menu got access to a floor plan. So on my floor plan I can zoom in and I can move the map around as well, but if I wanted to directly book a room, I could be just selecting a room and I could book this room. Alternatively, I've also got a find colleague function at the bottom of my home screen, and so if I'm searching for a colleague, I can see in the weekly planner when that person is going to be in the office, for instance, and I can click on the view bookings to see if they've got any bookings found. In this case we don't have a booking, so I know I might not be in the office that day to meet up with that person. If we've got connects or NFC stickers, for instance, as sensors on our desks to check in and check out, then I've got the function to have scan, and when that's scanning I'd hold it next to my sensor and that would then check me in or book a desk. So on the mobile application you've got the functionality to be able to make your bookings, you can change your bookings, and you can see where colleagues are and check in and check out of desks. So as a user it can be simpler to use your mobile application than maybe going through the GoBright portal. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.